LegalZoom online legal advice pricing explained what you get for your money. Most people get this wrong. They think getting legal advice online is either risky or expensive. The surprising truth is that LegalZoom provides convenient, affordable access to qualified attorneys, helping you make informed decisions without the high cost of traditional consultations. LegalZoom offers online legal advice plans starting at $25 per month, which includes unlimited phone and email consultations, legal document reviews, and attorney guidance on routine matters. This subscription makes it easy to access professional advice on contracts, business matters, estate planning, and more. For example, a small business owner can use LegalZoom to review a vendor contract or get guidance on employment policies. Instead of paying hundreds per hour for an in-person lawyer, they can consult attorneys quickly and get actionable guidance. Most people get this wrong by assuming online legal advice is generic. LegalZoom connects you with licensed attorneys who provide personalized advice based on your situation, giving you confidence and clarity. In conclusion, LegalZoom online legal advice offers strong value. It's affordable, reliable, and accessible, helping individuals and businesses navigate legal issues without the stress and cost of traditional legal consultations.